Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SpanishBuddy.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Carlos. Great to see you all again. Sophia, I've got to say, today's topic is something people actually need in real life.
Yes, absolutely. And I was thinking about this the other day. I tried inviting a friend in English, but I accidentally sounded too formal, like I was writing an email instead of talking to a friend. It was a little awkward.
That happens more often than you think. That's why today we're learning how to invite someone in Spanish in a natural, real-life way. Not textbook Spanish, real conversations you can actually use.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to invite someone to coffee, to a party, to hang out, or even just say, hey, let's meet up, in a natural Spanish way.
And you'll also learn how to accept or refuse invitations politely. So you won't just invite, you'll actually hold a full conversation.
Let's make it interactive too. As you listen, try repeating out loud. Don't worry about perfection. Just speak.
And here's a question for you. Have you ever tried inviting someone in Spanish in real life? Or would you feel nervous doing it?
Tell us in the comments after watching. We'd love to know.
Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy for more real Spanish conversations.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Carlos. Let's get started and learn how to invite someone in natural Spanish.
Let's begin with the basics of Spanish sentence structure so you can build your own invitations. Spanish is actually simpler than people think.
Yes, most simple sentences follow a pattern like subject plus verb plus rest of the sentence.
For example, I invite you in Spanish is te invito. It's short, natural, and very common.
Another example, let's go, is vamos. English, let's go. Spanish, vamos. Or, do you want to come? ¿Quieres venir? And a very useful one, come with me. Ven conmigo.
Now imagine everyday situations. You see a friend at school or work and you want to invite them for coffee. You can say,
¿Quieres tomar un café? Do you want to have a coffee? Pronunciation, ¿Quieres tomar un café?
The word gracias is also important when responding. It sounds like gracias, and it means thank you.
Now repeat after me. Te invito. I invite you. Vamos. Let's go. ¿Quieres venir? Do you want to come?
Great job! Even if it feels slow, this is how real Spanish speaking starts.
Now let's add negatives. If you want to say, I can't go, you say, no puedo ir.
No puedo means I can't. Ir means to go. So together, I can't go.
Can you try saying it out loud? No puedo ir.
Perfect. And remember, Spanish is all about confidence, not perfection.
Quick summary. You now know how to invite someone, accept, and even refuse politely.
Now, let's move into real-life conversations. This is where Spanish starts to feel natural, not memorized.
Right, because in real life, people don't speak in perfect grammar. They speak fast, casually, and emotionally.
Let's start with a simple situation. Inviting a friend to a restaurant.
Example conversation. ¿Quieres cenar conmigo? Do you want to have dinner with me? Sí, claro.
Another situation. Meeting friends.
Vamos al parque. Pronunciation, vamos al parque.
Formal versus informal is important too.
Formal, ¿Cómo está usted? How are you? Respectful. Informal, ¿Cómo estás? How are you?
With friends, always use informal. ¿Cómo estás? Sounds natural and friendly.
Now a real-life invitation at school or work. Después del trabajo, ¿quieres salir? After work, do you want to go out?
Mini practice time. Try this. First, say the invitation. Second, wait for response. Third, react naturally.
For example, ¿Quieres venir conmigo? Sí. Perfecto. Vamos.
Now your turn. Imagine inviting someone to coffee. Say it out loud.
Repeat after me. ¿Quieres venir conmigo? ¿Quieres venir conmigo?
And don't forget, natural Spanish often shortens words. People might just say, ¿Vienes? Are you coming?
Quick review. Invitations can be short, friendly, and flexible. That's real Spanish.
Now let's talk about daily Spanish you'll actually use every day. This is where confidence grows.
Think about ordering food, asking directions, texting friends, or casual chatting.
At a cafe, you can say, ¿Puedo sentarme aquí? Can I sit here?
Pronunciation, puedo sentarme aquí.
Politeness tip, Spanish uses por favor a lot.
Una agua, por favor.
Now imagine texting a friend.
¿Qué haces? What are you doing? Vamos a salir. Let's go out.
In WhatsApp-style Spanish, people often skip words and keep it short.
Instead of long sentences, they say, ¿Sales? Are you going out?
Now, mini conversation.
¿Vienes al centro? Are you coming downtown? Sí, voy. Yes, I'm going.
Slow pronunciation practice. Ven conmigo. Come with me. Ven conmigo.
Pause and repeat after me. Vamos a comer. Let's go eat.
Great. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes.
Quick structure reminder, short sentences equals natural Spanish.
Now let's talk about common mistakes learners make when inviting someone in Spanish.
Yes, and don't worry, we all make these mistakes at the beginning.
Mistake number 1, translating directly from English.
Wrong. Yo te invito a go. Correct. Te invito a ir. I invite you to go.
Mistake number 2, using overly formal language with friends.
Wrong. ¿Desea usted venir? Correct. ¿Quieres venir? Do you want to come?
This happens because learners think formal equals correct, but with friends, it sounds strange.
Mistake number 3, pronunciation.
For example, gracias is not gracious, it's gracias.
Mistake number 4, gender confusion.
Like saying la amigo instead of el amigo.
Funny example. La amigo quiere comer sounds incorrect and unnatural.
But don't feel bad. These mistakes are part of learning.
Now practice correction. Te invito. I invite you. ¿Quieres venir? Do you want to come?
Repeat slowly. Te invito a salir.
Remember, mistakes are normal. Even native speakers sometimes simplify or change words.
Keep speaking. That's the key.
Positive reminder, communication matters more than perfection.
Now let's do an interactive practice. Choose the correct sentence.
Situation 1. You invite a friend to coffee. Option A, te invito un café. Option B, ¿quieres tomar un café?
Correct answer is option B. It sounds natural and polite.
Situation 2. You want to say, let's go. Option A, vamos. Option B, yo vamos ir.
Correct. Vamos. Simple and natural.
Situation 3. Asking a friend to come. Option A, vienes. Option B, usted viene.
Correct. Option A for casual conversation.
Situation 4. Refusing politely. Option A, no puedo ir. Option B, no ir puedo.
Correct. No puedo ir.
Now repeat after me. ¿Quieres venir? Vamos. No puedo ir.
Try creating your own invitation sentence. Say it out loud.
Focus on communication, not perfection. That's the goal.
Let's wrap everything up with a quick review of what we learned today.
First, you learned basic invitation phrases like te invito and ¿quieres venir?
Second, you practiced real-life conversations for friends, work, and daily situations.
Third, you learned how natural Spanish is short, casual, and flexible.
If you remember just one thing, remember this. Speak naturally, not perfectly.
Now think about this. Who would you invite in Spanish today if you had the chance?
Let us know in the comments. We really want to see your examples.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to SpanishBuddy for more real Spanish conversations.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Carlos. See you next time.